Hey everybody, in today's quick tip, we're going to talk about how you can leave material behind to keep your part connected to your stock, also called tabs. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, in our example here, we have a job already set up with a profile feature. And again, we want to leave material behind to keep the part connected to the stock. There's a number of reasons why you might do this, but most commonly, in order to use your stock as part of your work holding. To add the tabs, our first step would be to edit our feature and then go to the tabs menu. From here, we can turn the chains on that we want to apply the tabs to, and then we can define the tab location and the tab size. In our example, we're going to use 3 tabs, and we're going to use manual tab locations. So we're going to check use manual tabs and then click edit tabs. From here, we'll go to a front view, and you can see we have some tab locations already. In order to remove them, just click inside of the profile, and these tab locations will go away. In order to add new tab locations, just click outside of the profile where you would like the tabs to be. Once we have our tab locations defined, we'll check it down. From here, what we can do is define the width of the tab, whether we wanted to ramp at an angle for the tab, and also the thickness of the tab or the height of the tab. Once we've defined our settings, we can recompute, and it's just that easy. I recommend you give this feature a try on your next project.